TracDat tutorials. Planning. Austin Community College has updated the strategic plan for 2017 through 2021. This strategic plan consists of 4 goals that support the overall mission of the college. In short, these 4 goals are: Goal 1, Equity and Access. Goal 2, Persistence and Engagement. Goal 3, Completion and Transition to Employment and Transfer. And Goal 4, Effective and Efficient Operation and Infrastructure. In order to support the overarching strategic goals, each unit or department must develop their own goals. A goal is a broad statement that describes a desired end state. When writing goals, please note that unit or department goals should be mapped to, linked to, aligned with, or directly supporting the college's mission and current strategic goals. To better understand how to write a goal, look at the following example. This is a fictional goal for the Financial Aid Reporting Unit. Their goal is to decrease the number of financial aid defaults. Note that this statement is broad. This differs from the objectives below, which are specific, measurable achievements that meet the goal. In the following examples, we will demonstrate how to add a goal. We will be using a fictional reporting unit titled Training Unit, Financial Aid. To add a goal, navigate to Unit/Discipline Planning. Then navigate to Goals, Objectives, and Assessment Plans. There are 2 available menus, Unit or Departmental Goals and Objectives. Navigate to the Unit or Departmental Goals menu. Click on the green Add button located towards the right of your screen. A new screen loads with 3 input options: Goal tied to, Unit or Departmental Goal, and Unit or Departmental Goal active. Select the drop-down menu and choose one of the 3 strategic goals your unit or discipline planning goal will be tied to. Our goal will be tied to Strategic Goal 1. Next to the unit or departmental goals, type your goal. Our example goal is decrease the number of financial aid defaults. This goal is brand new and therefore will be active. Make sure there is a check next to the unit or departmental goal active. Navigate to the top of your screen and click the yellow Save button. You will receive a message that your goal has been saved successfully. If you are adding additional goals, you can click Save and Add New. If you are not adding additional goals, you can click the Save and Return button or the Return button. This brings you back to the Goals and Objectives summary page. This completes the example of how to add a goal. The following examples will demonstrate how to edit your goals or input additional information. In this example, we will demonstrate how to edit a goal. We will continue to use the fictional reporting unit titled Training Unit, Financial Aid. To edit a goal, navigate to Unit/Discipline Planning. Then navigate to Goals, Objectives, and Assessment Plans. Any goals that you have previously entered will be visible beneath this header. Next to the goal you wish to edit, click on the Edit icon located towards the right of your screen. From here, you can edit what strategic goal your goal is tied to, the description, and whether the goal is active or retired. To change strategic goal relation, select any of the available goals in the drop-down menu. To change the unit or departmental goal description, click within the text box and edit or refine your goal as necessary. To change whether a goal is active or retired, click on the checkbox. When you are done, click Save. You will receive a message that your goal has been saved successfully. Click the Return button. The goal you are editing is now updated and available. This completes the example of how to edit a goal. In the previous examples, you entered and edited a goal. In this example, we will demonstrate how to relate your goal to institutional or departmental goals. To relate a goal, navigate to Unit/Discipline Planning. Then navigate to Goals, Objectives, and Assessment Plans. Navigate to the Unit or Department Goals menu. Beneath each goal you created, there is now a submenu titled Related Institutional and Departmental Goals. Next to the goal you would like to relate, click on the green wrench icon. For this example, we will select Strategic Goal 1, decrease the number of financial aid defaults. This then provides a shortcut to the mapping menu within TracDat. Here, you can put a check in each box to demonstrate where your unit or departmental goals relate to specific objectives of the ACC strategic goals. Due to the descriptive length of our goals, you may have to click to expand available information. Click the X within the pop-up to exit that expansion of information. This goal was created with the college strategic goals and objectives in mind. This particular goal relates to Goal 1, Objective 3, strengthen college readiness initiatives for students to take college credit programs. Once you click the box, the check will appear. If you checked a box in error, click it again and the check mark will disappear. When you are finished relating your goals, click Save. In order to return to the previous menu, click Return. This completes the example of how to relate the institutional or departmental goals. This concludes the tutorial. If you have questions or comments, please email Marcus Jackson, mjaxo4 at austincc.edu, or Ron Johns, rjohns at austincc.edu.